Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to go through the 5 best performing stocks in this dividend portfolio. And we'll start at number 5. But before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. And so we will get right into it. We will talk about the best performing stocks in this portfolio, starting with number 5. And it is since starting this portfolio, not this year, but starting the portfolio. And we will start with number 5, like I said before, and that is TD. TD for starting this portfolio, coming in at number 5. If you don't know what TD is, it is Toronto Dominion Bank, ticker symbol TD. It is a financial institute in Canada, one of the big 5 in Canada. And since starting this position, we have had an increase of 14.8% in stock value, and it holds about 7.11% of the portfolio. We only have 6 shares of this. Our average price of getting in is $77.25, and today it sits at $88.68. The amount of dividends that TD has paid out to us has been a total of $11.85 since owning this position. And you can see we started this position back in December of 2020 was the first position buy, and we haven't bought any since March 26th of 2021. The market cap on Toronto Dominion Bank is $158 billion. Like I said, it is one of the top 5, one of the big 5 banks in Canada, traded on the Toronto Stock Exchange, but also recognized in the US as TD Ameritrade. A lot of TD stuff is in the US, which is great, which makes it a very strong national company. International, I guess it would be considered as well, being down south and by our neighbors. So very popular in the States with TD Ameritrade. And yeah, that is coming in at number 5 for best performing stocks. Coming in at number 4 is actually Manulife Financial Corporation, ticker symbol MFC, and this is the position we are updating and trying to increase the position in the portfolio before the end of the year. If you don't know what Manulife Financial Corporation is, it is an insurance company. Okay, still considered in the financial sector, but mostly in the insurance side of things. We have 21 shares of Manulife Financial Corporation, holds about 7.02% of the portfolio currently. Our average price of getting in is $20.36. And our total return since owning this position is $97.73. And that's an increase of 22.86%. And today's price is $25.01. The amount of dividends that Manulife has paid us since owning this position is $19.04. And as you can see here, has a market cap of $48 billion, traded on the Toronto Stock Exchange. But we started this position back in October of 2020, and we have recently bought a position last week. We've actually increased the position. And so that is stock number 4 as best performing since starting this portfolio. The stock that comes in at number 3 for best performing since starting this portfolio is Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO, closing out at $133.37. We own 8 shares of this, total position value of $1,000 and $1,066.96. We own 8 shares. Average price of getting in is $95.30. And again, today it closed out at $133.37. It currently holds 14.25% of the portfolio. And our total return since owning this position is $304.60, coming in at 39.95% of total return, and mostly from capital appreciation. If you don't know what Bank of Montreal is, of course, in the name it is a bank, and this is also one of the top 5 or the big 5 banks in Canada, with a market cap of $85 billion, 52-week high of $132. But we had started this position in October of 2020, and yeah, so that is the one that comes in at number 3. As you can see, the past 3 performing stocks are all in the financial sector because I'm very heavy in the financial sector. And so that is that one. Stock coming in at number 2 for best performing, believe it or not, is Loblaws, ticker symbol L. Closing out at $92.04 today, down $1.02, down negative 1.10%. We own only 6 shares of this. Total value of $552.24. Average price of getting in is $63.27. And it holds about 7.38% of the portfolio. Our total return since owning this position is $172.61. And it has a capital appreciation in the stock price of $45.47. The amount of dividends that we have received from this company, Loblaws, is $7.22. And sorry, I didn't mention Bank of Montreal's. So Bank of Montreal's total dividends they paid us was $26.50, just so if you want to know. But again, Loblaws has paid us $7.22. And we started this position back in November of 2020. And our last position increase was in January of this year. And so market cap of $31 billion. If you don't know what Loblaws is a company, the parent company for like Superstore, Shoppers Drug Mart. It's a consumer staple company. And they do pay a dividend on a quarterly basis of 1.47% and traded on the TSX, Toronto Stock Exchange. Okay, P is about 23, so it is in that kind of area that I'm comfortable with. And the high, 52-week high is 93, and the 52-week low is 60.86. I think our first position we bought was at 64.07. So we bought a bit higher than the 52-week low, which is great. Not timing the market, just really enjoy this company. And again, that is Loblaws, ticker symbol L. And last but not least, our number 1 position coming in as the holy grail was the first ever position we had in this portfolio, which we started back in September. As you can see here, we bought, how many shares did we buy? 1 share at $55.47. And it is in the financial sector. It is a bank. It is Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker symbol BNS. Closing out at $80.98. We own 7 shares of this. Total position value of $566.86. Our average price of getting in is $54.58, and it holds about 7.57% of the portfolio. And our total return since owning this position has been $184.81, with an increase in capital appreciation and stock price of 48.37%, which is absolutely fantastic, with a market cap of $97 billion and a yield of 4.5%. Now, Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker symbol BNS, is a very popular financial stock for a lot of people because of the high dividend yield. It has one of the highest within the Big Five, and it is one of the less pricier ones than the Big Five. However, we don't want to look at that stuff. We want to look at price to earnings and so on and so forth. The price to earnings on this one is 11.12, which is way below the kind of threshold that we have. 52-week high of $82, so we're almost hitting that, and a 52-week low of $53.92. And so that is Bank of Nova Scotia. Bank of Nova Scotia has paid us dividends since owning this position, with a total of $25.20 in dividends since starting this position. Okay, and that's the number 1 position. So those are my top 5 performing stocks since starting this portfolio, and very happy with those kind of numbers. Now, I don't know if they'll continue. We are just building a dividend portfolio, putting in $100 every single week, and we'll continue to do that. So that is pretty much it. And then we also have a reward, which we are going to open, as someone has used the referral link down below in the description for, I don't know if the promo is still on, but I think you get 2 free stocks. You don't get the actual stocks, you get two stocks, and the value of those 2 stocks put into your non-registered accounts, so your personal account in cash. And then if you decide you want to buy those stocks, then you can, or you can just use it to buy whatever. Usually what we do is we take the funds, it gets put in the personal, and then I just transfer into my tax-free savings account. Something just fell and I didn't mean to freak out there. Crazy. So we will go ahead and head into there. So Josh Winder, thank you for using the referral link down below, and we'll both earn the cash value of stocks when they sign up and fund their trade account. So yes, total earned, we've earned $434.18 from everyone's referrals. So thank you so much, everyone who has used that referral link. We'll go ahead and claim that free stock. And which one is it? PCG coming in at $13.33. You can use the rewards to buy the stock or keep the cash. And we will go ahead and keep the cash. And as you can see, we can't put it in the tax-free savings account. We got to put it in the personal. So we'll go ahead and do that. And that's done. And there we go. May take up to 24 hours. So it looks like the promo is over. We're not getting 2 stocks or 3 stocks. We are only getting 1, which is totally fine. That is pretty much it. But before we do that, we will show you guys the portfolio here. It did close out today at $7,601.80 for the day. For the 1 week, sorry, we were up $46.87 today, up 0.62%. For the 1 week, we were up $86.46, up 1.15%. For the 1 month, we were up $222.45, up 3.01%. For 3 months, we were up $229.98, up 3.12%. For the 1 year, we are up $1,146.31, up 17.76%. And for the all, we are up $1,167.62, up 18.15%, which is absolutely fantastic. And so on that, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, turn on your bell notifications. Those things are completely optional, but they are completely free, and it does help the channel grow. And we have seen a little bit of growth within the channel, which is awesome, which means there's exposure, and that means I have to keep on doing better. And so again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to use the link down below for the value of 1 stock and putting in your cash account whether to buy that stock, but use that link and it's a win-win. So other than that, guys, have a great week, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.